In today's video I want to show you guys how you can easily fix the problem that your YouTube or other apps not working here on your Grundig TV. Okay, for the first step, go here into the home menu, so click on the home button and then go all the way to the right until we get here into the quick settings. Now, and here in the quick settings, go on all settings. So, and here on all settings, first what we can do is that we go down here on system, and here on the system settings we go on about, and here try to do a new system update. So sometimes this helps when you do a system update here. Okay, and after we have done this, what we also can try to do is that we go all the way down here and then we can easily restart the TV. So sometimes this also helps. And if this not helps, then we can try to unplug the power supply of the TV and then wait like 2 minutes and then you can plug it in again. This is to fully reset your TV, and sometimes this also helps. Okay. And after we have checked this, then we can also go here on, we can stay on system, and then here we can go into the storage, and here we can try to go on free up storage, and then here we can try to clear the cache. So sometimes this also helps to fix app problems. Okay, and when we have checked this, then go here back until we get here to the apps. So and then here, go on, see all apps, and now we go on the app you have a problem with. So like, YouTube, or like Netflix or something. And here on the app, make sure that you try to disable the app, and then you can enable it again after that. This is also to reset the app, and sometimes this also helps. And on your like Netflix or something, you can also try to force stop the app. So sometimes this also helps when you force stop this, and then when you go on this again, restart it, then your problems is fixed most of the times. Okay, what we also can try to do is if we have like internet problems. So some apps don't start when we have internet problems, and here make sure that you are connected with your Wi-Fi. And after that, your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.